Get ready to elevate your woodworking game with the ultimate value tool. The best table saw for the money blends power, precision, and durability without blowing your budget. Expect smooth rip cuts, solid build quality, and smart safety features that give you professional-level performance at a smart price. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SKIL 10-inch Table Saw. The SKIL 10-inch Table Saw is a dependable and efficient tool for woodworkers who value precision and portability. Designed with rack and pinion fence rails, this saw guarantees that the fence stays perfectly parallel to the blade, resulting in smooth, accurate cuts every time. It also includes an integrated folding stand that allows the legs to fold quickly, making storage and transport incredibly convenient, ideal for professionals and DIYers working on multiple job sites. With a 4x4 cutting capacity, it can easily handle thick materials at 90 degrees, while its 2 through 47-degree bevel capacity enables a range of angled cuts. The bevel lever offers quick-release functionality, making angle adjustments straightforward and efficient. Another thoughtful feature is the dust port elbow, which channels sawdust directly into a collection container, helping maintain a clean workspace. This table saw's design emphasizes both performance and user comfort, giving you confidence and control in every cut. Whether used in a workshop or taken to a construction site, the SKIL 10-inch Table Saw stands out as a reliable companion for cutting tasks, combining strength, accuracy, and practical design in one compact machine. Number 2. DEWALT 10-inch Table Saw. The DEWALT 10-inch Table Saw is a powerhouse built for precision, durability, and convenience, making it a top pick among professionals and serious hobbyists. Its rack and pinion telescoping fence system ensures fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments, providing unmatched control and cutting accuracy. The patented material support and flip-over ripping fence allow for narrow rip cuts, enhancing flexibility on the job. Designed with portability in mind, the telescoping fence rails retract, transforming it into a compact and easily transportable unit. The rolling stand is sturdy yet easy to set up and break down, providing stability even on uneven surfaces. An onboard storage system keeps essential accessories like the blade guard, wrenches, and push stick neatly organized and within reach, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. DEWALT's attention to detail shines through with this model, offering performance and practicality in perfect balance. Its high-torque motor and precise alignment make it capable of handling tough hardwoods with ease. Built to withstand demanding use, the DEWALT 10-inch Table Saw delivers the accuracy and reliability needed for both professional contractors and dedicated DIY woodworkers alike. Number 3. BOSCH GTS 18V Table Saw. The BOSCH GTS 18V Table Saw is a remarkable combination of power, precision, and portability, offering professionals the performance of a full-size corded saw in a compact, battery-powered design. Built with Pro-Factor technology, this 8 1/4-inch table saw delivers outstanding power and speed, making it ideal for both workshop use and job site applications. This efficiency is further enhanced by Bosch's bi-turbo brushless technology, which maximizes the output from Core 18V high-power batteries, providing extended runtime and optimal torque. The saw's rack and pinion fence adjustment system allows for precise and effortless alignment, eliminating the need for manual tapping or fine-tuning, ensuring each cut is clean and accurate. With a 25-inch rip capacity to the right of the blade, it's capable of handling larger materials such as plywood sheets and 2x lumber without strain, while its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand the demands of an active job site. The table surface is well designed for stability and balance, helping users maintain control over their workpieces. Bosch has clearly designed this saw for professionals who need power without being tied to an outlet. Number 4. Metabo HPT Table Saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch table saw is designed for professionals who demand precision, durability, and convenience in one machine. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor delivering 4,500 RPM, this saw easily handles even the toughest cutting applications with accuracy and speed. Its large tabletop ensures ample support for larger materials, while the outfeed support adds stability for smoother, safer cutting operations. Front-positioned controls make blade height and angle adjustments easy to access, helping users fine-tune every cut with confidence. The Metabo HPT stands out with its superior rip capacity, 35 inches to the right and 22 inches to the left, offering flexibility for cutting wide boards and panels. It delivers clean 3 1/8-inch cuts at 90 degrees and precise 2 1/4-inch cuts at 45 degrees, ideal for professional woodworking tasks. The durable fold and roll stand is a significant advantage, allowing quick setup and breakdown while maintaining stability on the job site. Combined with the included miter gauge and fence, this table saw ensures precision and safety at every step. Built with Japanese engineering excellence, it promises reliability and long-lasting performance. The 2-year warranty adds extra peace of mind, making the Metabo HPT Table Saw a top choice for craftsmen seeking a rugged and accurate tool that performs flawlessly in workshops or on the job site. Number 5. MarvTool Table Saw. The MarvTool Table Saw is a compact yet powerful cutting solution that perfectly balances performance, safety, and portability. Designed with a robust 15-amp motor, it delivers a cutting speed of up to 4,600 RPM, ensuring smooth and efficient cuts through a variety of materials, such as hardwood, plywood, OSB boards, thin aluminum sheets, and PVC pipes. The 36T blade enhances precision, producing clean and consistent cuts that meet the demands of both professionals and DIY users. Despite its power, the MarvTool Table Saw remains lightweight at just 28.3 pounds, making it easy to carry from one location to another. Its compact size not only saves valuable workspace, but also makes storage convenient, whether in a small workshop or garage. This table saw offers excellent flexibility through adjustable cutting capabilities. The blade height and angle can be modified to suit different project requirements, allowing for both 90-degree crosscuts and 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts. It can cut up to 3.4 inches deep at 90 degrees and 2.1 inches at 45 degrees, accommodating a range of woodworking and construction applications. Overall, the MarvTool Table Saw combines efficiency, safety, and convenience in a single, well-built tool. Its blend of power and portability makes it an excellent choice for carpenters, contractors, and hobbyists who need reliable cutting performance on the go without sacrificing precision or safety. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.